एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द जॉय ऑफ टेक। आई एम जॉयता आहूजा और अगर आपको भी जानना है गूगल की स्टेप इंटर्न के बारे में,
eligibility, perks, interview process, and intern experience.
so stay tuned till the end. Hi everyone, today we have Mehak with us and आपको सब कुछ पता चलने वाला है इस वीडियो में जो आपको गूगल स्टेप इंटर्न के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। तो फटाफट से खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो।
Hello guys, this is Mehak. I'm from IGDTU. I did my STEP internship during this summer break 2025.
Hello guys, I'm Mehak Garg. I also did my summer internship this year as STEP.
तो बताओ कि स्टेप इंटर्न होती क्या है और वहां जाने के क्या क्या पर्क्स हैं।
So STEP program is now rebranded as ASDI intern, Associate Software Developer intern. It is a Google internship that's paid and only engineering students are eligible for this.
For the eligibility, it is mainly for second year students who are engineering students enrolled in computer science or related fields.
तो अब मुझे समझा दो पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस क्या होता है। अगर किसी को सेकेंड ईयर में गूगल स्टेप में अप्लाई करना है तो क्या क्या वो इंटरव्यू राउंड्स, ओए, रेज्यूमे सब कुछ बता दो।
So basically, there are 4 rounds. First one is resume shortlisting. When you apply through off-campus portal, your resume gets shortlisted. Then there is telephonic round. Then after, if you pass the telephonic round, you will have 2 technical rounds.
For the resume shortlisting round, what you do is you go to their off-campus portal, you apply by sending them your resume. Then your resume is shortlisted based on various criteria. So few tips I would like to share is, firstly, add your coding profiles like LeetCode and Codeforces on your resume. That is very important. Secondly, have a ATS friendly resume where you're able to showcase your skills properly.
When you get your resume get shortlisted, you move on to telephonic round. So here it's just a 10 to 15 minutes normal call with your recruiter. They just ask simple questions from your resume like how well you know DSA, how many questions you have practiced, on what platforms you practice the question, and simple questions like what's your tech stack, what's your projects. Nothing fancy, just simple basic questions. They just want to know about yourself.
तो कुछ आप ऐसी टिप्स दो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे रेज्यूमे तो दे देते हैं पर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग ही नहीं आ पाती। तो कुछ अगर गूगल स्पेसिफिक टिप्स आप दे पाओ कि उनका रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाए।
आई वुड से कि सिंस सेकेंड ईयर में एज सच एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है हमारे पास, तो आई वुड से यू शुड फोकस ऑन द कोडिंग प्रोफाइल्स. यू शुड मस्ट एड कोडिंग प्रोफाइल्स. I would say decent CGPA, even though they have a like 7+ eligibility, but a good CGPA helps. Also, other than that, I would say ki just like have a good resume, like uh, a proper resume, like you see templates like Jake's resume, Anubhav's resume, you can take up from Overleaf and look up their format and according to that make your resume. Don't make 2 to 3 pages resume. Have structured bullet points in your resume.
You can also bolden important points in your resume and have properly mention your CGPA, your college, what year you are in, and it should be very clear to the recruiter who you are and what are your skills. Like, don't mention your skills column at the last. Make sure that when a recruiter sees your resume, they're able to identify your skills, your achievements very quickly.
ओके, सो वंस रेज्यूमे इज डन, टेलीफोनिक राउंड इज डन, तो मेन आता है जिसमें सबको डर लगता है, इंटरव्यूज, राइट? तो इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या पूछा जाता है एंड कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी है, सब कुछ बता दो।
So before interview rounds, you will have a interview prep round that is taken by the Google employee only. So basically, they tell you everything in that what type of questions will be there, like how much duration it will be of. So it's a basically 45 minutes round, and both are like technical DSA based round. That was like for me, both were DSA based round, and in that majorly like they can ask you anything from DSA. So it's not just limited to one topic. They can ask you DP, graphs, anything. I was asked from like 2 point first. In first round, I was asked 2 questions. One was of 2-pointer, second was of DP. And when I cleared the first round, I was like got called for second interview round, and in that I was asked one graphs question.
So for me also there were two technical rounds for 45 minutes each. In the first round I was asked sliding window, and in the second one I was asked a Aris with DP question. So one thing I would like to say is कि if you don't know how to solve the question, at least try to tell the interviewer the approach, or try to think something here and there, and don't keep quiet, don't be silent. If you're not able to do anything, just ask the interviewer for a hint, or tell them that you need some more points, more hints for to move further. And whatever you're thinking, think it out loud, don't be silent. And even when you're coding, write neat code, good variables, and it should overall look very clean and proper.
Also in interview prep, they like teach you everything, like how you should name the variables. They tell you everything on what basis they like mark you. So make sure to like be attentive in that session. You will get to know like many things from that session.
यहाँ पर मैं एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगी, गूगल के जो इंटरव्यूज होते हैं वहां पर जो क्वेश्चन होता है वो ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं होता है कि आपको ये एरे दी जाएगी, इस पे ये कर लो, ये ग्राफ दिया जाएगा, उस पे ये कर लो. वो रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स होती है, स्टोरी लाइक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जहां पर आपको खुद फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर और कौन सा एल्गोरिदम आपको लगाना है. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कॉन्टेस्ट दो, कॉन्टेस्ट में ही आपको ऐसे रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स, नया क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, वो आपको उससे प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. तो आप कुछ जूनियर्स के लिए टिप्स दे दो जो इस साल स्टेप इंटर्न में बैठने वाले हैं.
I would say ki focus on DSA. They are still like it's still 1 to 2 months. If you like not getting call now, there may be chances that you will get after 2 months. So in that meantime, don't stress about it. Just focus on the DSA part.
Okay, so I would say I would again say कि do DSA very properly, very in a very disciplined manner, and contests, as she said कि contest देने चाहिए. It improves your time management and everything. And just be confident in yourself, give it your best, give it your best shot, and any opportunities which you don't apply to are already lost. So always do apply, and DSAs will open many doors for you.
Also, don't get disheartened that if you're not getting any call, like you didn't got the chance to even apply and appear for the interview. Even like you applied, that's a great thing, and you should focus on more further opportunities you will get. Just think it as a like experience you are getting.
तो स्टेप इंटर्न में अप्लाई करने की मोटिवेशन तो दे दो. क्या कैसी लाइफ होती है गूगल में, क्या क्या पर्क्स होते हैं, हाउ वाज योर इंटर्न एक्सपीरियंस?
So everyone around you will be from third year majorly. When you will go to intern, you will love that all the seniors are helpful. Everyone in the team is helpful. You will like, of course, that if you are applying to Google, you will get a good stipend, crazy stipend, and other allowances along with it.
So the first thing I would like to say is unlimited coffee in office. Like wow. If you go there 5 days, you can have so many coffees, so many ice cream shakes and hot chocolate. I enjoyed everything like that. And apart from it, you get to work on a real world project. So it's not like any dummy project you're working on. It's actually a real project which will actually add impact to your resume. So that is very good thing as a second year student. So there are not many internships for second year. So this is a very special opportunity that you should absolutely not miss.
मेरे ऑफिस में शेक्स नहीं थे, लेकिन मेरे को बहुत दुख था इस बात का.
कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम. और इससे आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर इंटर्नशिप करने के लिए एक पीपीआई अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिलती है. सो बिना घबराए जस्ट गो एंड अप्लाई फॉर इट. एंड लास्ट में एक क्विक सा रैपिड फायर कर ले. ओके, तो आपके लिए सबसे पहले, तो टेल मी वन मस्ट स्किल फॉर स्टेप.
DSA.
ओके. एंड वन रिसोर्स दैट यू स्वेयर बाय.
Strivers A to Z sheet. That is very important. I mean, it covered most of the important topics of DSA, and मेरे इंटरव्यू में एक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन था उससे, like directly.
तो स्ट्राइवर भी तो गूगल में ही है. ओके, सो गूगल कैफेटेरिया ओवररेटेड और लेजेंडरी?
I would say legendary. दो मेरे ऑफिस में शेक्स नहीं थे, बट मैं डेली हॉट चॉकलेट पीती थी एंड आई लव्ड इट. सो आई स्टिल मिस इट कि लंच के बाद हमेशा हॉट चॉकलेट पीना.
Hardest part of the process?
It is,
I would say this.
okay.
Waiting for that mail. You like daily check that mail, going through like every time you refresh it, waiting.
Anxiety हो जाती है.
आज मेल नहीं आया. You then every day like next day again you refresh it. आज भी मेल नहीं आया. You just like धक 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 धक.
कोई नहीं, सब
For me also it was the same. Like I was an off-campus applicant, so I was not even sure if my resume will get selected. Like they don't send rejections for a very long time, so it's just आज mail आ जाएगा, कल mail आ जाएगा. And for me, I applied in November and I got mail in January something. So they take a very long time. So till the first mail I was like, I don't know, आया नहीं आया, क्यों नहीं आया. So that is a very difficult part.
One word to describe STEM.
I would say you will love the experience you will get in second year. Most of the intern, like college students, get the experience in third year, but you will get that in second year, and you will love that experience.
And last, describe life at Google in one word.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay.
It's just wonderful.
So I guess just like the life at Google, I gave वीडियो भी वंडरफुल थी. आपको बहुत सारे इंसाइट्स पता चले, अंदर की बातें पता चली स्टेप इंटर्न के बारे में. ऐसी और भी टिप्स जानने के लिए डू सब्सक्राइब टू द जॉय ऑफ टेक एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर वीडियोस.